In the market for a 2006 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle.
Power and reliability are a great combination. Find both here.
Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.